Advanced Micro Devices, better known as AMD, has been one of the most exciting semiconductor stocks in recent years. Once seen as a distant second to Intel, AMD has emerged as a leader in high-performance computing, gaming, and artificial intelligence chips. Led by CEO Dr. Lisa Su, the company has transformed itself from a struggling chipmaker into an industry powerhouse, consistently taking market share from competitors. But with rising competition, economic uncertainty, and the ongoing AI boom, is AMD stock a buy, sell, or hold in 2024? Let's take a deep dive into AMD's business, financials, growth drivers, risks, and long-term outlook. AMD is a semiconductor company that designs high-performance chips for a variety of industries. Its main product categories include CPUs, GPUs, data center processors, and custom chips for gaming consoles. Competing directly with Intel, AMD's Ryzen processors have gained significant market share in both consumer and enterprise computing. Its Radeon graphics cards, while still behind NVIDIA in high-end AI chips, are widely used in gaming and workstations. AMD's EPYC server processors have been a game-changer, taking market share from Intel Xeon in the data center space. Recently, AMD has made a big push into AI with its MI300X chip, designed to compete with NVIDIA's dominance in artificial intelligence accelerators. The company also produces custom processors for gaming giants like Sony, PlayStation, and Microsoft, Xbox, making it a key player in the gaming hardware space. Unlike Intel, AMD does not manufacture its own chips, but relies on TSMC, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, to produce its advanced semiconductors. This fabless model allows AMD to focus on chip design while leveraging TSMC's cutting-edge fabrication technology. AMD's financial performance has been impressive, with strong revenue growth and improving profitability over the past several years. However, like many semiconductor companies, AMD's business is cyclical, meaning it fluctuates based on demand for PCs, gaming, and cloud computing. Market share gains against Intel, expanding AI chip capabilities, and strong demand for gaming hardware have all contributed to AMD's revenue growth. The company has significantly improved its gross margins thanks to the shift toward higher-end processors and data center chips, which command better pricing and profitability. The data center business, in particular, is critical to AMD's future server processors, and AI chips have higher profit margins than consumer CPUs and GPUs. Another major advantage for AMD is its strong balance sheet. Unlike some other semiconductor companies, AMD has relatively low debt, giving it flexibility to invest in research, acquisitions, and AI development. One of the hottest trends in the tech world is artificial intelligence, and AMD is positioning itself to be a key player in this space. Right now, NVIDIA dominates the AI chip market, with its H100 and upcoming B100 GPUs powering most AI models and data centers. However, AMD is aggressively competing, with its MI300X accelerator designed to challenge NVIDIA's dominance. While NVIDIA has a significant lead, AMD's AI chips are gaining traction. Microsoft, Meta, and other cloud giants have shown interest in AMD's AI processors, and the company is working on software optimizations to make its AI chips more attractive. AMD's strength is its ability to offer competitive performance at a lower price, which could help it capture market share from NVIDIA in the long run. In addition to AI, AMD's EPYC data center chips have been a massive success, consistently gaining ground against Intel's Xeon processors. The cloud computing boom is driving demand for high-performance chips, and AMD is in a strong position to capitalize on this trend. Despite its strengths, AMD is not without risks. One of the biggest concerns is NVIDIA's dominance in. While AMD is making progress in AI chips, NVIDIA still controls over 80% of the market. Unless AMD can significantly improve its AI ecosystem and software support, it may struggle to gain market share in the short term. Another risk is Intel's comeback. Although AMD has taken market share from Intel, Intel is investing heavily in new chip technologies and manufacturing capacity. If Intel's upcoming processors perform better than expected, it could slow AMD's growth in the CPU and data center markets. Semiconductor cyclicality is also a concern. The semiconductor industry is highly cyclical, meaning demand can rise and fall sharply. If there is an economic slowdown, PC and gaming chip sales could decline, hurting AMD's revenue. Additionally, AMD relies heavily on TSMC to manufacture its most advanced chips. Any disruptions in Taiwan's semiconductor industry, whether due to supply chain issues or geopolitical tensions, could severely impact AMD's business. So, should you buy, sell, or hold AMD stock? If you're a long-term investor, AMD remains one of the best semiconductor stocks to own. The company is growing in multiple high-demand areas, including data centers, AI gaming, and high-performance computing. AMD's leadership under Lisa Su has been outstanding, and the company continues to execute well against competitors. However, AMD's stock is not cheap. It has a high valuation, which means investors are already pricing in a lot of future growth. If AI demand continues to boom and AMD can gain meaningful AI market share from NVIDIA, then the stock has plenty of room to run. For investors who already own AMD stock, it's a stronghold, especially if you believe in the company's AI strategy. If you're looking to buy dollar-cost averaging, buying small amounts over time could be a good strategy, given the volatility of the semiconductor sector. That being said, if you're a short-term trader or worried about a potential slowdown in chip demand, you might consider waiting for a pullback before adding to your position. AMD is a great long-term investment, but it remains volatile due to competition, macroeconomic trends, and the cyclical nature of the industry. AMD has proven time and time again that it can compete with tech giants like Intel and NVIDIA. The company's innovation, strong financials, and expansion into AI and data centers make it an exciting long-term investment. While challenges remain, AMD is well-positioned to benefit from the AI revolution, cloud computing boom, and growing demand for high-performance chips. What do you think about AMD stock? Is it still a buy, or do you see better opportunities elsewhere? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this analysis, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more investing insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.